Hey guys, welcome to urartstudio.com. My name is Peter Dranitson. I'm a graphic designer and abstract artist. In this video I created to explain how my website is structured so you have a general understanding of what to expect. The four banners that you see on the homepage that says art video lessons, gift ideas, logo downloads, and original paintings are four main areas of my website. And let's start with art video lessons. So when you open art video lessons, you'll see two subsections, which is free art video lessons as well as gold art video lessons. When you click on free art video lessons, you'll see all the videos that you can watch for free and learn how to create an amazing abstract paintings. The gold art video lessons are the ones that you will have to purchase to be able to access those videos. Now, the free lessons, you will also need to create a free membership account on this website to be able to access those as well. It doesn't cost anything, it's just a matter of creating your free membership account. Now with a free membership account, besides being able to watch free art video lessons, you also get discounts on vector logo designs that you can download and print on t-shirts. I have a number of areas for logo designs. The logo designs, if you want to know specifically what to expect when you download vector logo designs, I have created a number of free sample logo designs that you can just download to your computer, open it with Adobe Illustrator, and take a look for yourself. So all the logo downloads are created with Adobe Illustrator CS6. So if you have Adobe Illustrator CS6 and on, you should be able to open those files, adjust them any way you like. So when you download vector logo design, let's say for example this hockey logo, when you open the file on your computer, you'll be able to update the text. Let's say if you want to say something like soccer or anything else, you can adjust it, change color to whatever you prefer. Just anything that you like to change in this logo design, you'll be able to do. Now I have older files on my website that do require for you to find and install missing font, and I do have a video of how you can easily do this on your computer. I also offer custom logo designs per your request. Simply just click here, and then in this custom logo design section, just fill in the blanks with your name, email, your request, details, text included in design, list of colors, and anything that will help me to create an awesome design for you. So the cost right now is $75 per design. Unlimited revisions are included. The next section I want to discuss is original paintings. I have dedicated this page here, the painting page, to share my abstract paintings, original abstract paintings with you. Now I also have subsections for the paintings. At this time I have abstract, and then I have a cityscape, floral, a landscape, musical, and seascape. I also have a section where I list all immediately available paintings, and also paintings available for recreations, which means the paintings that are sold and available for recreation. I also offer you guys to request a commission painting if you need a painting specifically designed for you, I can create it on the canvas or on the canvas paper, whatever material that you prefer. Now here's just a sample of what I have immediately available as far as the paintings. And the final section is gift ideas. Now this is a store of actual physical items that you can purchase, and this include but not limited to t-shirt, dresses, hats, leggings, mugs, phone cases, pillows, regular shirts, skirts, subliminal socks, bags, towels, and wall art. So if you have a specific idea, I can also create and print on any of those items for you. So if you look at the all over t-shirts, all over t-shirts are the t-shirts that are printed on the entire shirt. So I have a number of my paintings that I have already just pre-designed on t-shirts that you can purchase and have it delivered to you. So this basically all the designs that I have available from my abstract paintings and from my logo designs, I can create a t-shirt or any other gift item for you. If you have a specific idea about what you want to display on any of those items, just contact me through a contact page and send me your request. At the time of the recording, I in the process of transferring all my paintings and my videos from my other two websites. Originally, I have other website where I also post like videos and paintings, and I'm trying to get it all under one roof. So I have a website called abstractartlesson.com. This is where you can watch video lessons, and also at pizzaoriginalart.com. This is my art gallery, and I have a lot of paintings that have been sold, and I'm in the process of transferring the images to my website urartstudio.com, so that you guys can browse through, and if in case if you would like a wall art, a printed canvas art with that painting, I can do that for you. So basically that summarizes everything that I wanted to discuss. The 4 areas on my website, the art video lessons, gift ideas, logo downloads, and original paintings. I also want to emphasize that I can create a custom logo design or a custom painting, or customize any gift items for you with one of my designs, or maybe a new design that you want specifically created for you. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for visiting my website, and I hope that you will enjoy looking through the artwork that I have created, and maybe get motivated and send me your comment or a request. This was Peter Johannesson with urartstudio.com. See you next time.